Hi, welcome to UAV Simplified. Today I'm really excited as I received my shipment of one of the best flight controllers in the market, the Pixhawk 2.1, or as we all love to call it, the Cube. I wanted to share this excitement with you all, so let's jump in and unbox this beauty. This is the Cube Orange, which is the latest version of the Pixhawk Cube series from ProfiCNC. It comes in this premium looking black box, which really highlights the orange cube. So now let's open the box and see what's inside. Oh wow, that's the first glimpse of your Cube Orange. I must say it is beautiful. Even the packaging seems so premium. Let's get it out of the box. It's really nicely built. All the people who have worked on it, their names are mentioned. That's the antenna for your ADS-B. Let's see what else do we have in the box. The usual manual with all the connections well documented. This will come in handy later on. And that's a bunch of wires. I guess these are all the wires that you will ever need. Good thing that the company has provided all of them, or so many of them. Otherwise you need to keep on buying separate wires for everything. That's the power module. Some screws to mount the flight controller. That looks like a CAN bus adapter. Some double-sided tape to mount your flight controller onto the drone. And guess that's all. Now I'm really excited to put this in my drone and see how it performs. Stay tuned guys for our upcoming videos where we put all these things together and make a fantastic drone. Please like and subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified as soon as our next video goes online.